Despite the slight improvement in business confidence, sentiment amongst business people remains depressed. 2/3 of participants in the survey are dissatisfied with the current operating conditions. R&B says uncertainty around the elections, which was top of the mind for many respondents, could have negatively impacted domestic demand. The other factor was the consistent electricity supply, which could have had a more positive impact on survey respondents.
A lot of the survey respondents would have been concerned about the potential ramifications of coalition arrangements, as it was widely expected that no political party was going to get above 50% majority that is required to push through economic policy without negotiations. That is quite visible. Many respondents alluded to a wait and see in terms of making long-term investment decisions, which is visible in the still quite low confidence levels.
Wholesale traders were the most optimistic, with 53% of the respondents satisfied with the prevailing business conditions. Confidence in the retail sector was slightly lower than that of wholesale, but still increased by 5 points. Confidence among new vehicle dealers, largely impacted by the prevailing high borrowing costs and subdued consumer demand, declined by 6 points to 10.
35 points is still very low levels of confidence, even though the 5-point increase from 30 in the first quarter must be welcome. It still remain way too low from levels that would help to stimulate, at least encourage investment. But if we have to look at the subsectors and their performance, if you look at wholesalers, confidence there jumped quite significantly to over 50% at 53%, which means over half of respondents are satisfied with prevailing business conditions. In all other sectors, we saw levels that are below 50%.
Export demand ticked up marginally, while domestic demand remained sluggish. Doria Sefakomosi, SABC News, Johannesburg.